Hi guys, today I'm going to show how to fix Windows Update not working. Before going to the video, please turn on the CC for subtitle. And this is because of corrupted or incomplete Windows Update files, or paused or disabled updated service, or outdated or damaged system files. So we're gonna fix it today. For that, our first step is to clear Windows Update cache. So you need to enter into your command prompt and enter as run as administrator. So what we gonna do is we are going to run a bunch of commands over here. The commands which is in the notepad is in the description too, so please copy and paste. First we gonna stop the service. Yeah, now the update service is stopped, and after that we are going to stop the bits. And again we are going to make the software distribution in a folder, from a old folder to new folder. Yeah, after that we are going to start the service. And again we are going to start the bit service too. Once it done, yeah, now we are going to start the bit service too. Yeah, once it done, please exit from the command prompt. It does not take much time, so just type exit and exit from the command prompt. Then restart your system and check whether the issue is solved or not. If not, please follow the second step. Our second step is to restart your Windows Update service. For that, press Windows R and type service.msc, or else you can search the service and also you can go into it. Please find Windows Update, scroll down and you may see the Windows Update. Just stop and restart the service. If it's in stop condition, please start the service, make it as automatic, and the same as for Windows installer, stop and start the service, and search for background intelligent transfer service. Do same for that, and also for cryptographic service. Yeah, once you done, we are just entering into our third step. Just type and search command prompt and enter as run as administrator. Here we are going to run the system file checker. For that, please copy and paste the prompt in the description, sfc space scannow and DISM online cleanup image. Here it shows you we had a corrupted file and it's successfully restored. The last command would take some time, so have some patience to wait on it. Let it be. Yeah, it will take more time. Let it be done. We are going our next step. Just minimize the command prompt and going for next step. Here what we are gonna do is we are manually install the updates. For that you need to copy the failed update codes. For example, KB5030219, maybe copy that and enter into the Chrome browser and search for Microsoft Update Catalog. Click the first link. Yeah, paste the failed update code over there and search for that. Yeah, based on your computer, please select the category and download it. it will create another tab. Over here please click the link to download. Yeah, just click the link, it will start download. And also to copy that, once it got downloaded, please install it. Yeah, now it's downloaded. Yeah, it's installing. Once it's done, please restart your system once again and you will see the change. I hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you guys, thank you for watching. For more, subscribe TechTube. If you had any queries or feedback, please feel free to comment on comment tab. Thank you guys.